Hello and welcome to Slow English Daily. Do you want to speak English fluently? Do you feel nervous when you speak English? Don't worry. In this video, I will share 7 easy and powerful tips to help you improve your English step by step. Watch this video till the end because tip number 7 is the most powerful. Let's begin. Tip number 1. Practice every day. Practice every day. If you practice only sometimes, you will forget quickly. But if you practice daily, your English will improve slowly and surely. You can practice speaking, listening, reading. Just 10 to 15 minutes every day is enough. Practice every day, even for a short time. Tip number 2. Speak without fear. Speak without fear. Many learners are afraid to speak English. They think, what if I make a mistake? Listen carefully. Mistakes are normal. Even good English speakers make mistakes. If you don't speak, you will not improve. So speak slowly and don't be afraid. Tip number 3. Listen to English every day. Listen to English every day. You can listen to simple videos, English conversations, short stories. When you listen, you learn pronunciation and sentence structure. Start with slow English like this video. Listen daily to improve naturally. Tip number 4. Learn simple sentences. Don't start with difficult grammar. Start with easy sentence like I am learning English. I like to study. I go to school. Use these sentences in your daily life. Use simple sentences every day. Tip number 5. Repeat and imitate. When you hear a sentence, repeat it again and again. Try to copy pronunciation, tone, and speed. This will help you sound more natural. Repeat to improve your fluency. Tip number 6. Be patient and consistent. Be patient and consistent. Learning English takes time. You will not become fluent in one day. But if you practice daily, you will improve step by step. Small progress every day becomes big success. Be patient and never stop. Tip number 7. Think in English. Think in English. Try to think simple sentences like I'm eating, I'm going outside, I'm watching a video. This will train your brain to think faster in English, and this is very powerful. Think in English every day. Now you know 7 easy tips to improve your English. Let's review. Practice every day. Speak without fear. Listen daily. Use simple sentences. Repeat and imitate. Be patient. Think in English. If you like this video, Subscribe to Slow English Daily for more English lessons. Thank you and keep learning.